Hi everyone! In this video, we'll be covering how to activate and get started using the integration between YCharts and eMoney. To begin, I can head to our integrations landing page, first by hovering over the support dropdown at the top of the screen, and then selecting integrations here under resources. Again, this will take us to our integrations landing page where I can see all the different integrations that YCharts has to offer. Finding eMoney right here, I will go ahead and select the toggle on the right-hand side to activate the integration. And this will prompt me to log in to my eMoney account. So I'll go ahead and enter in my credentials here. And once this logs me in, it will then take me back to our integrations page here, where I can see that I have now activated this integration, showing this green check mark, letting me know that I am ready to start using the integration. To do so, I will head to our Portfolios tool, found under the Tools dropdown at the top of the page, and under Manage here, I'll select Portfolios. In the top right of this landing page, we will find our Import Holdings dropdown, so I will go ahead and select that, and then select eMoney. This will open a pop-up window prompting me to search for the client I am looking for. So I'll go ahead and do that, select my client. This will then display the plans available for this client. And after that selection, I will see the assets or accounts for that plan or for this client. Here I can select one or multiple accounts that I want to import. And then by selecting import here, this will then take us into our portfolio editor. So up top here, I can edit some of the settings for this portfolio. I can change the benchmark, rebalance frequency, add an advisory fee. But scrolling down, I will also find the holdings that we have imported. So after reviewing these symbols, dollar amounts, and cost basis, I can go back up and select Save. And this will kick off the calculations for this portfolio. Now, once that's finished calculating, I can go ahead and select on the name of this portfolio to open up its quote page. And here's where I can start to view some of the great data that YCharts has to offer. So I can view performance charts, asset allocation, top holdings, risk information, and much more. I can also click through some of the different tabs listed up top for a more in-depth view of these different areas. Or perhaps I could select the Reports button up here to generate a report, an overview of this portfolio, or a side-by-side comparison, including this portfolio. So that'll conclude today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your support contact. Thanks.